A dirty or bad throttle body can set a P2135 error code and cause your engine to go into reduced power mode. I will show you how to clean the throttle body in this video, but if you need to replace the throttle body instead, you can follow the video and just skip the cleaning part and install the new throttle body. The first step in removing and cleaning the throttle body is to disconnect the ground cable from the battery. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the side nut on the battery's negative post. Use a screwdriver or pliers to wiggle the battery clamp off the post. Set the clamp to the side, making sure that it doesn't touch the battery's post. Remove the engine cover by removing the oil refill cap and lift up on the cover. It should just pop off. Once removed, reinstall the oil cap to make sure nothing gets in the engine. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the hose clamps holding the air duct on the air filter and throttle body. Remove the air duct by wiggling it out. Place it to the side. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts holding the throttle body in place. With the bolts removed, position the throttle body so you can unplug the electrical connector. Be careful not to damage the throttle gasket. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect the connector like so. With the throttle body removed, you can clean it. I use throttle body cleaner, but rubbing alcohol would probably work just fine. Either way, make sure not to get any solvent by the end of the shaft towards the plastic cover. This is where the position sensor is located. Keep the throttle body tilted so none pools there. Now reinstall the throttle body by installing the 4 bolts first. Then plugging in the wire connector. Wiggle the air duct back in place and tighten the hose clamps. Replace the engine cover back by removing the oil cap and snapping the cover back in place. Then replace the oil fill cap. Reconnect the negative battery cable and then tighten the nut. Finished. Thanks for watching.